Hey, what's up everyone? Look at this. I set depth effect on my Galaxy device after 1.8.5 update, and if I unlock my device like this, then directly open gallery after unlock with fingerprint. Look at this. If I unlock my Galaxy with fingerprint, then directly open gallery. And many people ask me about this problem's solution on Instagram and YouTube. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on 1.8.5 on your lock screen depth effect. Okay, first I reset my lock screen. Okay, look at this. I reset my lock screen. And guys, if you want to add this big clock on your Galaxy device, then simply check out full tutorial video link on description. Now let me show you how to fix this problem. Then simply unlock device, set any wallpaper. Look at this. I set this wallpaper. First I crop this image object like this and simply save as image. Now look at this PNG image ready to set on lock screen. Before set this wallpaper, guys, now remember crop this image, complete half image like this. Now tap on save. Okay, now set this wallpaper. Set this wallpaper like this. Now simply tap on clock. First set clock. Guys, remember, if you want to add this big clock on your Galaxy device, then simply check out full tutorial video link on description. Look at this. I set this clock. Arrange image like this. Now simply tap on lock star, tap on add widget, go to gallery and tap on add image and select this PNG image, PNG crop image from gallery. Look at this. Now tap on display method, tap on center and fill widget and set this image like this. Now simply tap on done and look at this. Your problem completely fixed. Now you unlock your device easily without any problem. Look at this. Guys, before you add complete PNG object on your lock screen, that's why directly open your gallery after unlock your Galaxy device. But this time I add only half image. That's why problem completely fixed now. Look at this. So guys, I hope this video really helpful for you. Then guys, like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, if you want to add this big clock, then simply check out full video link on description. First watch this video and after watch this video, then simply follow all these steps. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.